Refinish wood and other hard surfaces with the new paint and varnish citrus stripper from Easy Strip. Just apply a thick and even coating and let set to soften finishes for easy removal. Test scrape every 15 minutes till the clear coat scrapes off with ease. Then scrub clean with warm water to lift out wood stains. Wipe clean with water, let dry, then lightly sand to prep for new finish. Now we're ready for a new stain. Get DIY friendly wood refinishing with Easy Strip paint and varnish citrus stripper. Easy to use and easy to clean with a fresh citrus scent. Reduce, reuse, and recycle with Easy Strip.